Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Kia Sorento. This is the EX trim level. It's a premium. It's also got a V6 engine and it's all-wheel drive. The car comes with panoramic sunroof, roof rails, signal repeaters, alloy wheels, fog lights, and various other features we're going to talk about as we go around the car. Also done up in a gorgeous white color. As you can see from the front, there is front sensors for parking. As we get on the driver's side, and into the car, it has a two-position driver's memory seat, power windows, locks, mirrors, and this switch here. We push it, the mirrors will fold in or go back out. We have our cross traffic 115 volt switch for a power outlet in the back, traction control, and the dashboard lights. Down below, the button to control the power door at the back and the gas filler cap. Sorento only has 9,725 kilometers. Steering wheel has audio and cruise controls as well as Bluetooth. Inside the car, Sirius XM is shown on the radio. There will be a 3-month trial subscription of Sirius XM come with the car for your enjoyment. Down below, dual position climate control, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, auxiliary and USB input ports, two 12-volt charging ports, and down in the bottom an iPhone or a phone charging port. Of course, the shifting lever, drive mode select, a lock for that all-wheel drive, and a switch to turn off the parking sensors. Getting out of the car, we have leather seats, and of course the driver's seat is powered, if I haven't mentioned that already. Going a little bit further to the second row of the car, we have leather seats again, and if we look up, we have that gorgeous panoramic sunroof, and also in the back, that's that 115 volt outlet I was talking about in the front. There's a switch for that. There's a USB port and a 12 volt charging port. Plenty of room back here. Those seats are also a 60-40 split, so you can lay down the 60% side, the 40% side, or both sides for a full 100% down. Going to the rear of the car, the EX V6 badging, and all we have to do is push a button and that back door opens with power. Rear of the car, we have the last two seats, which gives you the full 7-passenger configuration. These are a 50-50 split, so you can lay down one side or the other side or both sides for a full 100%, depending whether you have to carry people or you have to carry some stuff. Plenty of room back here for stuff, and of course if you lay down those seats there's even more room. As I mentioned, this is a premium package, so there's a lot of goodies in here that I don't have time to go over on this video. So this beautiful white 2019 Kia Sorento EX V6 premium package is available at West Coast Kia. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. We're open 9 to 9, Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6, Friday, Saturday, 11 to 5 Sundays, and most holidays. Come on down, try out this car. Bring the whole family. We got passenger room for 7, so plenty of room for everybody. See how well the Sorento would fit into your lifestyle, and also see how well your family fits into this Sorento. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland.